Great to have you along with us at the Parc des Princes in Paris on such a splendid day too. Martin Tyler here along with Alan Smith. With great anticipation, we're looking forward to the match coming up very shortly. It's PSG against Borussia Dortmund.
Yeah, thanks, Martin. Looking forward to this. We've got some really good players out there, and importantly, we've got some match winners, some goal scorers down on that pitch. And I don't think we'll be disappointed.
Paris Saint-Germain, this is their lineup. Keylor Navas in goal. Bernat plays alongside Thomas Meunier in the full-back positions. Marco Verratti plays today with Idrissa Gueye in central midfield. In attack, Edinson Cavani partners up with Mauro Icardi. This is the Borussia Dortmund lineup. In goal, Roman Bürki. Mats Hummels plays alongside Dan Axel Zagadou at the back. Julian Brandt starts with Axel Witsel in the centre of the pitch. And I wonder how they'll use these three forwards in attack. Someone's got to provide some width. I've got a little story for you about the Parc des Princes, Alan. I ended up watching a game here amongst the Republic of Ireland substitutes when they played France, the great French team of Platini and company in the 1980s. It was the only ticket available. Well, it didn't have a ticket, of course, but I got smuggled in and sat on the Republic bench, but sadly we lost 2-0.
We lost 2-0. I didn't know you were Irish, Martin.
Well, I was that night. Verratti. Icardi. Neymar. Bernat. On the attack here. Went in quickly there. That'll be a throw. PSG have given the ball away. Axel Witsel. Brandt. Well, that's what they've been looking for. The ball in behind. Keeper's ball. Axel Witsel, Brandt. Axel Witsel. Hazard. His teammates have recognised the potential of this attack. Verratti. Good reading of the play, anticipating the pass. Idrissa Gueye. Gueye. Verratti. Here's Icardi. And the pass not completed, really. Achraf Hakimi. Pass threaded through. Brandt. Could whip it in from here. Taking on the defenders. Compliment the defender, but not the player trying to cross it. Verratti. Edinson Cavani. Mauro Icardi. Putting on the style, Paris Saint-Germain, and they need a goal to put them into the lead. Trying the possession game unsuccessfully at the moment. Piszczek. Saw the pass and dealt with it. Now Bernat. No offside. The ball was played over the top. And it's going to be his throw here. Piszczek. Out into the wide areas now. Saw the direction of the pass. Neymar. Mauro Icardi taking on a couple of opponents now. Icardi. Maybe a chance on the cross for Cavani. That's a very weak cross from a very good position. Thiago Silva. Verratti. Gay. Mbappe. Interception here. Break quickly when they get possession. Here's Marquinhos. Edinson Cavani. Blocked off the pass there. And Marco Reus is definitely offside.
An easy one for the linesman. He was a good couple of yards.
Piece check. Looking to attack the cross in numbers. Now Bernat. Neymar. Verratti. Mauro Icardi. Paris Saint-Germain smoothly through the gears here into an attacking position. They were right at the opposition then, but it's broken down disappointingly.
Oh, look at those stats for PSG. Had so much of the ball so far, but I am expecting to see a bit more from them in the remainder of this match. I think they do need to step it up to win it. Their strikers, the movement's not been as good as it normally is out there.
Thomas Meunier. Cavani. Mbappe. And they're keeping the ball, that's the important thing. Cavani. Mbappe. Gets in the way of it, the defender. Sancho. Hazard. Brandt. They've got the ball back by that interception. Cavani. Neymar. Idrissa Gana Gueye. Mauro Icardi. Neymar. Verratti. Teammates getting out of the way. He can put them in front. It is the first goal of the contest that's gone to PSG.
That's what they were waiting for. It's been a bit of a slow burner, this match, but I think they deserve this goal, and it certainly changes the half-time team talks.
Different angle on it here. Paris Saint-Germain in front. Referee has chosen to add on 2 extra minutes. Just read the intentions of the opposition there to make the interception. It's Marquinhos. Made sure the pass wasn't completed. This does look promising. Well, the referee has signalled for half-time, and it's 1-0 here.
Anaïs, Anaïs, le plus tendre des parfums.
Amaro Montenegro, sapore vero.
Per un veterinario la giornata non è mai finita, ma è il mio lavoro e l'ho scelto io. Arrivare appena in tempo da un puro sangue. Queste sono le mie soddisfazioni. Questa gente, questi profumi, cose uniche, come Amaro Montenegro. Amaro Montenegro lo riconosci subito. Ha un sapore che non ti sbagli.
Amaro Montenegro, sapore vero.
Muoversi oggi con una Renault 21 Turbo Diesel. Prestazioni superiori a qualsiasi attesa. Muoversi oggi con una Renault Super 5 Diesel e contare su un cuore silenzioso, ma da clever. Muoversi oggi con una Renault 11 Diesel, tanta potenza, molto generosa. E su tutti i diesel Renault, superbollo compreso nel prezzo e 25% di risparmio sugli interessi. Renault, specialista nei diesel. Renault, muoversi oggi.
Well, this is the second half now, and it's underway. Well, now they've got the ball, what are they going to do with it?
A strong player, and he shielded it well.
He's made the interception. With his skill, here's a chance to have a run at goal and take the opposition on. Now the shot! No way through for the shot, blocked. It's Marquinhos. Meunier. Gay. Mbappe. Players up in support if he needs them. Verratti. Taking on a couple of opponents now. Now, can they make this count? Keeping the ball well in a dangerous area now. I think the cross is on. Verratti. Mbappe. Verratti. Mauro Icardi. Idrissa Gueye. He fancies his chances in getting past these players. Good defending, no problem in the end. Action on the bench is both teams are going to make a substitution. Put the corner in the middle. Oh, it could have made more of that, but it's only a goal kick. Neymar. Here's Icardi. Neymar. Verratti. He's got good support in the middle if he gets his cross in. Taking on the defenders. Neymar. Now Bernat. Verratti. On to Neymar. Defender blocks the cross. A cross dealt with by the defender. Sancho. He's gone on one possession back with that tackle. Gay. Verratti. Angel Di Maria. Di Maria. Made the tackle. He's not going to get away with this, surely. That'll be a booking. That's Hummels, he's going to be booked. He's shown a yellow card. That was an easy decision for the ref.
Oh, it's a definite foul, Martin. It's a slide tackle, but he just mistimed it badly.
Well, it's an enforced substitution. There's no doubt it's because of that injury.
Well, the keeper knows. He knows he's got a shot to face here.
Neymar! Saved by the keeper. He can't hang on to the ball. Well, at first sight, Alan, I must say it didn't look like a goal. It's good to have the replay because that helps us if it's tighter, but that wasn't one of the tighter issues.
No, I think we all knew it wasn't over, although one or two of the forwards were appealing with arms up, but that replay, that confirms it.
Great interception. Julian Draxler. Angel Di Maria. Neymar. Can he carve out an opportunity for a shot? The keeper stops it. Fearing the equaliser at one end, they've gone and scored at the other end to put themselves 2 ahead and strengthen their position. It's the kind of goal that forwards love, actually, because it rewards their ability to follow in, their anticipation.
Yeah, ends up being a simple-looking goal, but it wasn't. As you say, it was about anticipation.
I think there's going to be a change for Paris Saint-Germain. Just widen the margin here to 2-0. Hazard. Hummels. Good work, really, to read the intention of the pass.
PSG having most of the ball, really have dominated possession. The way they've played, the way they've been clinical in front of goal, it's difficult to see a way back for the opposition if they can continue in this vein. They've been so good out here today.
Well, this is where managers really earn their money. In a losing situation, they've got to make a substitution. They've got to get it right, really, to have any chance of getting anything from the match.
Neymar. I think the cross is on. Paredes. It's with Draxler. Paredes. To Neymar. Draxler. Got in well for the chance and couldn't quite supply the finish.
Yeah, nothing wrong with that effort. The keeper was a touch worried there for a second.
Torgan Hazard. Royce. Emre Can. Here's Emre Can. And that will be a throw. Another turnover in play here with that interception. Royce. Very good attack, broken up in the end by good defensive play. Dortmund ready now to make an alteration to their team from the bench. Paredes. Now it's 5 minutes to go.
He's cut that out well, well read.
Rafael Guerrero.
He's aimed for the far post here. Well, crossing is a skill, and that's not a very good example of it. They've spoilt the promise of that attack. Good screening, and he's kept the ball.
Here's Marquinhos. Angel Di Maria.
Read the intentions. A good chunk of added time here, 3 minutes.
Fritzl. Guerrero. Interception here. Just 1 minute left on the clock. Neymar. Julian Draxler. Angel Di Maria.
Paris Saint-Germain smoothly through the gears here into an attacking position.
Well, the game has run its course here, and there's the final whistle.